Christmas is almost here and I couldn't be more excited to pull out all my fancy Christmas decor. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a regular, I am so glad to see you again. Today, we'll be making this simple Christmas wreath. For the full list of supplies and where to purchase them, visit the link below. To begin, start by cutting about a 3-foot piece of wire and wrapping it into a circle. I used an additional 3-foot piece and wrapped it even more to make it sturdier. Now, take some green garland wire and wrap it around your base. This green garland wire will help make everything adhere better when you will be hot gluing to it. Once you have a pretty solid fuzzy green wire base, use some flexible thin branches and wrap them around your base. I found these outside. I only did about 6. Now add your berries. If you want faux snow on them, you can add some modeling paste. That's what I did. Don't cut your berries off the branches. To add them, simply wrap the whole branch around your base. Once you've added them to the whole wreath, use hot glue to secure the main stems of your berries to the wreath. They should stick really well to your green garland wire. To add your pine, cut it into 2 different sizes. Use your hot glue to attach them. I went ahead and added the 3-inch pine sprigs first, then filled in any empty spots with the smaller pieces. Spread and bend your berries into place and attach some small pine cones. Then tie a bow and hot glue it to your wreath. You can also add some small twigs for more character. And that's it! I hope you love this Christmas wreath. I had so much fun making it and can't wait to hang it on my front door. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIYs. Happy holidays, everyone! I'll see you guys next week. Bye!